We're at Heisman Steering and I'm very excited. We've got the Audi R8 here today. We've got the McLaren 650S parked right next to it, and an awesome looking GT3 in black with green decals. This thing is a beast. We're going to make this car even better. So we're here for one reason. Heisman Steering update your suspension. They can change the calipers. They can change the color of anything you want on your car and all your decals. But we're here for one thing as well, and that is this exhaust. The Quicksilver exhaust has arrived, and this is going to be installed onto that. The Quicksilver exhaust, this is a Titan. So this middle section here is all titanium and mixed with stainless steel piping, which they say sounds magnificent. So we're going to put it down to the test here. We're going to give this the Supercar Advocates test, our test of sound. We've got all the cameras, the gears, the whole lot, and you're probably wondering, why is Lee holding the camera? Well, for one of the first time in a very long time, my crew's all over the place. So we've got Dan in the UK with a few of the other guys. We've got Nathan and co in America. We've got everybody everywhere. And I'm here today in Sydney, but not for long, unfortunately. Only for 7 to 10 days. And I'm out of here again back to LA. But for now, we're going to install that exhaust onto that car. We're going to give you the full coverage. And hopefully you guys are going to see what it takes to get that fitted onto that. And then we're going to see how good it sounds. Back at Heisman Steering, they've just called us up and said that the Audi R8 is ready. So it's exactly where we left it, and here it is, completely finished, all ready to go. Let's see what this thing sounds like. They said that it sounds beast. Wow. Well, now the flaps are closed, so this is in comfort mode. Any second, it's going to go into dynamic mode, flaps open, it's going to sound unbelievable. There you go, flaps have opened. This thing is insane! Insane! Oh, my ears are popping! Oh my god! Now that's sick! This is a beast now! Unbelievable. Quicksilver exhaust with some titanium muffler, and this just sounds absolutely ludicrous. This is beyond epic. Wow. Can't wait to take it to the streets. Talking about the streets, we're going to take it there right now. First impressions, it's in comfort mode right now. Let's give it a little bit. Okay, it's slightly louder than stock standard in comfort. Now I'm going to throw it in dynamic. Oh. It's going to be a manual. Oh, that sounds good. Grunty. God, and that's with the windows closed. Alright, what they say is, after a bit of, say, 300 kilometers of driving, the exhaust system opens up a lot more, so it becomes a lot louder. So we're going to test that out. But for now, these are our first impressions. Let's see what it's like when we just get this exhaust installed. Thank you so much to Quicksilver, and most of all, Heisman as well, for installing this. Such awesome guys. They can do anything that you want to your car. The suspension, your brakes, they can respray things, they can do whatever you like. Just check them out, the link's below. Amazing guys. This thing is insane. You gotta listen to this. Windows go down. I can't wait ultra rare, ultra unique. The tail end kicks out. It's just, oh my god, it just echoes, it ricochets off the bloody buildings. It's crazy. This thing is simply insane. It's a Quicksilver exhaust, titanium center muffler, and this thing is just beyond ludicrous. This is not normal. Oh my god, you can see people just turning around, staring, and walking on the side of the streets. It's ludicrous. Never heard anything like this before. The pops and crackles are insane. Insane. You can liken it to gunshots, even cannon shots. I don't know how to describe this. That pop was only at 3,000 RPM. Again, 3,000 RPM, second gear, 40 k's an hour. Crazy. Shit. What I like about this exhaust is that it's got exhaust flaps, so bypass valves, and what you can do is you can put it in comfort by pressing a button. And right now, look how quiet it goes. It says quiet, just a little bit louder than stock standard. So let's give it a little bit and see what it sounds like in comfort. Pretty good. And it's high pitched as well, so it sounds really, really good. So wife, girlfriend, whatever you have can actually sit in the car and be comfortable, and it's not too really like, you know, so crazy loud. Yeah, so it doesn't have the exhaust valves fairly open. So that's pretty good in comfort mode. So why would you want to drive in comfort mode when you can put it in dynamic and it sounds like this? Oh, we've got a mini tunnel coming up. Let's listen to this. Second generation Audi R8, you definitely need this exhaust system. Well, you have to put an exhaust. Stock standard, they sound pretty good, they're okay, but not like this. Not this okay. This